Hi angels, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be talking about something that is close to my heart, and it is glow. But not just glow for your face. My favorite products that are just for like your body, for your face, for like multi-use products. Because in the summertime, I like to be like dripping in gold from top to bottom. And I'm a little bit extra, I will admit that. So over the years, I've tried like a ton of different things, and these are just my favorite glowy products. So let's get into the video. So we're gonna start off big, either go big or go home, okay? Fenty Beauty Body Lava. So I have two shades. This is Who Needs Clothes. First of all, the names of these are the best, and I'm pretty sure, yeah, this is Trophy Wife right here. And I love mixing them. Like I do a combination, or sometimes depending on my outfit, if it's a little bit more like pinky toned, I'll go for this. The more tanned I get, I love this one in the summer. Let me swatch them and show you how they look on the skin. So I like to use my Fenty brush, and okay, I'm sure it's looking really, I should have also shaved my arms prior to doing this, but here we are. And usually I'll just do a full mix of them, and then if you look at it in the light, like it's also very moisturizing. So I'm going to talk about the pros and cons of this. So smells amazing. It lasts forever, but this does transfer. So it doesn't really transfer color anywhere. I just find that like my steering wheel is like completely glittered because I let it glitter all the way to my hands, or my seats, because usually I'll put it all over my legs. It will get glittered. So if you're not a fan of that, that might be a downside to this. And then on top of that, another thing is that like my hair sometimes gets stuck to the oiliness of this product. So I feel like I have to keep moving it off my arms or off my shoulders. So those are the two drawbacks of these products. Aside from that, I am literally obsessed with these, which is why they're on my list. These I've been using forever. As soon as they got released, I was like, I need this in my life, and they do not disappoint, but just be aware that, yeah, the glitter will transfer on other things. Next up, we have the Huda Beauty N.Y.M.P.H Body Drip. So this is a little bit of a different style. It's a spray bottle, and it's a little bit more bronzy. So I'm gonna spray it on, like this is how it looks in the beginning. And then I just rub it with my hands, honestly. And here's the difference between the two. This one has a lot more color and flex. This one is a little bit more natural looking, but remember I only put on a little bit. This is not as, like your hair doesn't get stuck to this one. The scent of it is just so good. It smells just like another one of their Kayali scents. So in other words, it's kind of like a 2-in-1, like a perfume slash body oil, but this is for if you want to be noticed, but you're a lot more of a natural person. Like you don't want to be like blinded. Let's say it's sunny and you're getting like blinded by the glitter. The Fenty is definitely like more of a blinding glitter, whereas this is a more natural, subtle, but you can always build it up. And this is what it looks like. It's nice and bronzy. I'm also curious to know how this would look on more fair skin tones. Let me try it on the palm of my hand to see what the vibe might be. Yeah, so I do think it would bronze a little bit. Yeah, you know what? If you're more fair, it will definitely bronze you up a little bit. Whether you're into that or not is up to you, but I love this product. So next up, we actually have a sunscreen. This is this is just to protect your body from the sun. This is the Hawaiian Tropic Sheer Touch sunscreen. And I love this because it has a little bit of a slight shimmer to it. Nothing crazy whatsoever. Like it's literally the softest. I don't even think you'll see it on camera. It's just the softest shimmer, but I like wearing this as my sunscreen. I'm not a derm, and I know different sunscreens keep getting pulled off the market. I used to love that spray one, and I think it was Neutrogena, and it gave you the most beautiful glow, but then it got pulled off the market because there was an ingredient in there that was not good. So always be checking and be on top of your sunscreens, because certain ones have different chemicals in them that are just not good for us. So yeah, be aware of that. But this one is just really pretty for daily wear, like not anything extra, but it has a little bit of a glow to it, which I'm a fan of. Next up, we have the Dior Face and Body Glow. I love this. This is the shade 01 Universal. It's just, I put it on my face under my foundation, sometimes just on the high points. I've mixed it in with like as a mixing medium kind of thing with my foundations to make them a little bit more glowy. Multi-use product, and you can use it on your body too.
At the front door.
Somebody's ringing my doorbell. BRB. Okay, I'm back. Where were we? The next one is a face product again, and this is a bronzer, but it's the most glowy bronzer. So this is the Hoola Glow, and I need to double check to make sure this is not a limited edition product. I don't know why it would be because it's so good, but let me just give you a nice swatch. Okay, it's not it blending in with my skin, but you can see that it has a glow to it, and I'm actually wearing it on my face today as my bronzer. Okay, I'm literally out of breath from running. I ran down and I got the door and then I opened the package frantically. Then I'm like, I need to get upstairs to do the YouTube video. Okay. My age is catching up to me, guys. I may need a cane. Okay, anyway. So this one I love as a glowy bronzer in the summertime. Let's talk about glowy lip glosses because I'm obsessed. These are the NARS Afterglow lip shines, and I'm just truly obsessed with these. The golden color is A-lister and the other one is Sunrush, and these two I have been wearing every single day since not every day. I'm not always a gloss girl because I like to drive with the windows down and then my hair will get stuck onto my face. Otherwise, I would be rocking it legit every day, but let me swatch these babies. So this is A-lister and it can go on top of any color that you wear on your lips, or you can wear it alone. And then this is the other one. I keep reaching for this one. I don't know what it is about this particular one. And that's again, Sunrush. I just love these. The formula is not sticky at all. And it's long wearing and they have glitter in them. So it enhances the glow. Like when I'm having glow, I want glow all over. Oh yeah, and I should mention I'm wearing this one on my lips today. That might have been a better starting point, but let me add a little bit more. Look at that. Look at that. It's just stunning. Next up, we have one that might just be my favorite of all of the things that we have on here. It is the Super Goop Glowscreen. I use this every day, like literally every single day on my face, and it acts as a glowy base for me. I am obsessed with this product. I've been seeing, and like side note, I've been seeing both of these products being used all over social media nowadays. And I'm like, I've been using these for a while. So it's always nice to kind of be able to predict the beauty trends in a way, because now they're popping up and I'm like, hey, I knew those were good and I was always posting with them. So I'm happy to see the products get the hype they deserve. And then this next one is a new favorite that I think is so gorgeous. Okay, first of all, let's just have a moment for the packaging. It's like this mother of pearl packaging. It's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Multi-Glow. Look at this. The cool thing about this is you could legit use it on your eyes, you could use it on your face, you could use it on your body, and you can use them separately or together. So my go-to is to do one big swipe of everything, and then I like to apply it. I'm already wearing a different highlighter today, but this color, like I swear to you, Charlotte just gets it right every time. She's been in the industry for such a long time and she is just like a makeup god. I look up to her. I always wait for her launches because like I just am obsessed. So yeah, this is a must. And there you have it, guys. Those are my favorite glowy products. Thank you so much for watching. I just wanted to remind you that I do post every single Sunday, so it would mean a lot to me if you liked, subscribed, and commented on what you want to see next. I'm always on the lookout for what trends or whatever tutorial you guys would like to see next. I'm going to link some other really great makeup related videos that I filmed recently, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, and thank you so much for watching.